শিলচর ভাষা শহীদ স্টেশন নিয়ে সংসদে সরব হলেন সাংসদ কনাদপুর কাস্ত। গতকাল শীতকালীন অধিবেশনের জিরো আওয়ার্সে কনাদপুর কাস্ত শিলচরের ভাষা শহীদ স্টেশন নামকরণ নিয়ে সরকারের কাছে দাবি তুলেন। তিনি বলেন, শীঘ্রই এই স্টেশনের নামকরণ হওয়া প্রয়োজন। ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, বরাক ভিশন।
श्रीमान कनादपुर कायस्ता।
Thank you, Chairman, sir, for giving me the opportunity to raise today a matter of concern and public demand in connection with the renaming of Silchar railway station as Bhasha Shahid Station. There, sir, on 19th May 1961, 11 martyrs sacrificed their lives at Silchar railway station, demanding Bengali language to be included as an official language in Assam. World's youngest female language martyrs, Kamala Bhattacharjee, was one of those 11 language martyrs. Since decades, the demand for renaming Silchar railway station as Bhasha Shahid Station is being made, but till date, the demand for lakhs of people have not been materialized. Sir, across India, railway stations, institutions and landmarks have been named after great leaders, historical events and martyrs. This Silchar railway station truly deserves such a tribute, the symbol of biggest language movement in independent India. Renaming it as Bhasha Shahid Station, it is not just appropriate, but it is long overdue. Sir, it will remind future generations that language are not mere words. They are the identity of a people, the soul of a civilization. So, sir, I, on behalf of 50 lakh people of Barak Valley, sincerely request the government to consider the demand at the earliest. Thank you, sir.